Welcome to the front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So let's just first select the application and drag this up to another one. Now here we can see that we just create the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more and more applications. If you want to rename the folder or give a name, just tap here to unnamed and select and enter, for example, the games. Tap to OK here, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed our device home screen folder. We can move this folder on the screen, just hold it and drag it, that's not a problem. Also, we can move folders between the screens, and we just create the new screens for the folders. So as you can see, that's so simple. If you want to remove the app from the home screen or from the folder, you can move it here to the home screen by this way, or also if you wanna just ungroup this folder, you should move all of the applications here to the home screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.